I'm George Levy, and we're at the Blockchain Futurist Conference in Hollywood, Florida. Today, I'm having the great opportunity to speak with Evan Kuhn, president of DeLorean Labs. Evan, great speaking with you.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
I actually have been reading a lot about what you've been doing. You're taking the most iconic auto brand out there. I grew up on Back to the Future, and the fact that DeLorean is getting into the Web3 space it's badass. So tell me a little bit about what you're doing.
Yeah, so DeLorean is coming out with a new electric vehicle. It's going to be the first vehicle end-to-end on-chain. So already pre-sold the first year of vehicle production. That's around 1,000 NFTs that each person has. They're tradable.
To put things, 1,000 NFTs. So there's one NFT per vehicle?
Yep.
So you have a run of 1,000. Okay, cool. So it's very exclusive.
Yeah, very limited edition. Have a marketplace at marketplace.delorean.com where these build slots are tradable on the Sui blockchain.
Wow.
And and then once the vehicle's ready, they trade that in, get the physical vehicle, and then that NFT, there'll be a certificate of authenticity. That's why the blockchain and all the driving data, service records will all be uploaded there, and the marketplace kind of becomes the secondary market for all the vehicles. So you could be driving down the road, see a bid come in, and you may want to accept it, or
So basically the thing that's interesting about it, and by the way, I'm kind of like a geek on this thing, and I love the fact that what you're actually taking, you're taking the DeLorean, and when you get the car, you don't just get the car. Like most people will be like, you have your title. No, you get an NFT corresponding to that vehicle, unique, it's only that. And the beauty of that is you're actually like, you have the history of the car with that.
Yeah, service, transparent records, kind of like a Carfax.
So correct. And then just trying to put the context. So should that person ever want to sell the vehicle, it's like, first off, you can't sell it without the NFT. The person that buys the NFT,
I think you'll legally be able to sell it with. So, but what would you? People will know to ask. Somewhere like a luxury watch, you can sell it without the certificate, but everyone's going to know to ask for it. And a lot of times you'll need that certificate to register a warranty. And that's
no. And to tell you the truth, and mind you, sorry, because I'm putting it from the outside and you're living it in the flesh. But like to me, that's such an innovative. Like it makes so much sense, especially when you're getting a car like you're getting a DeLorean, and like, okay, so is that DeLorean legit? Well, I've got the NFT to prove it.
Yep. And then you'll be able to participate, in all the cool programs that we're going to offer that utilize our DMC token. And, whether it's going to be rewarding, safe driving with discounted car insurance or, it's internally, we've been thinking about so many cool things that you can do once you have a wallet in each car. And
you're doing this on the Sui blockchain?
Yep. So they've been amazing blockchain partners to have. I look at them as like the Apple of the blockchain. They've created this really amazing
ecosystem. I'm with that. Totally. There's a lot of hype around that. And the context of like seeing it in the flesh, like what you're doing now with DeLorean is actually really cool.
Yeah. And, cheap transactions, very scalable and very fast, almost like instant transactions, especially playing around with their DeFi ecosystem. Almost feels like you're on a centralized exchange. It's so smooth and incredible.
So the thing that I find interesting is that you came from Coinberry.
Yep.
Yes. And then now you're in the auto space. And I'm like, that's a big transition. How did that play out for you? Is it you just like cars? How did that work out?
Yeah, I've always loved cars, but I'm on the Web3 innovation side of DeLorean. So, my focus isn't on bringing the new vehicle to market. So all the Web3 innovation and the exciting blockchain stuff. And really, for a decade and a half, almost since I first heard about Bitcoin, I've been, really following the technology closely and very enthusiastic about it. And so having the opportunity to create the roadmap and framework of how a Web2 brand enters Web3, it's really a dream come true for me. And this is the stuff I'm so passionate about. And getting through this has been incredible.
No, because I tell you, the key thing about it is like, I'm thinking about it, like, and mind you, because DeLorean is DeLorean, right?
Yeah.
So you really think about it and you've lived this every single day because you run into people like, I'm a little bit on the starstruck side. I'm like, whoa, man, it's freaking like, it's the Back to the Future, 88 miles. And it's over.
Pinch myself. I get to do that.
And there we go. But then DeLorean's taking it next level. DeLorean's kind of like saying, okay, so cool. There's the physical version of the DeLorean, but there's so much opportunity in the digital space, right? And then not just in the digital space, like a video game. No, these are digital assets and these are valuable digital assets. Like to me, that's like next level.
Yeah. As a company, we're not just dipping our toes in, we're jumping in and really tokenizing culture and IP in a way that's never been done before. We can own a piece of pop culture, interact with it, And, we have so many amazing collaborations and partnerships planned, but we can really take that DeLorean design language and everything around it, and bring it to, all parts of culture.
So let me ask you a question, because in Web3 Labs, yes,
DeLorean.
so it's DeLorean Labs.
Yep.
So the thing that I find interesting about it is like there's the vehicle, but there's also merch.
Yep.
And there's digital merch. Like tell me like the whole vision, because I guess there's a certificate of authenticity in the NFT for the car, but there's more to your vision.
Yeah. So, we look at Porsche design and Ferrari, that are able to, I think Ferrari, there's a stat of like 40% of their revenue is coming from merchandise. So, we see DeLorean as a community more than anything.
And I would love to hype around the DeLorean, the DMC approach. It's cool.
Yeah. So we've created this community, and, we've created this marketplace and everything, say, why stop at the car? There's all sorts of cool stuff we could do, whether it's a limited edition watch or luggage or, anything that we can think of that utilizes that DeLorean design language. And then also, the idea of, quality, limited edition.
Sure.
Well, I almost like the artisan, aspect of it.
Absolutely.
In goods where, we can do something special and, have that mentality, through everything and almost build a lifestyle brand around it.
And I'm thinking about it because like the moment we finish this interview, I want to learn more. How can people find out more about what you're doing? So there's DeLorean, like where point this in direction, a couple places to learn more about what you're doing.
Yep. So the marketplace is off of DeLorean.com. So that's marketplace.delorean.com. And that's where you can buy and sell the new vehicle and check out the reservation build slots. That accepts USDC on the SUI blockchain. And then, of course, our DMC token as well. Then also DeLoreanLabs.com has everything.
So DeLorean Labs is the
Web3 and
you're the president of DeLorean Labs. Fair enough, understood.
Yeah, and so we all kind of integrate closely together. And that's where we have our roadmap and everything around the token and what's coming out with that.
Excellent. Evan Kuhn, what a pleasure.
Yeah, and to me, definitely on x.com or on all the social media handles as well.
Excellent. Well, I'm looking to be following you. I can't wait to see what's coming up from DeLorean. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that you learned something in the process. I bring you brand new videos every single week, so make sure to subscribe to this channel. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, I'm George Levy. We're changing the world, one blockchain at a time. See you next time.